Hi, I'm David Kirk with Epiphan Video. We're here at our ISE 2020 booth, and I wanted to highlight our integration with Panopto in our Pearl product line. So we've got two products in the line. We have our Pearl 2 product and our Pearl Mini product. Both of these products are complete switching, streaming, mixing, and recording solutions, and they're fully integrated with the Panopto content management system. So what that means is these can both become a remote recorder in the Panopto system and can be managed completely with Panopto so that you get a completely hands-off experience. Put these in the room and then schedule everything and manage everything completely through Panopto if that's what you'd like to do. So you can go into your Panopto instance, create a full calendar of events, which will be automatically downloaded to Pearl 2 or Pearl Mini. And then those events will start automatically, record all the content, and transfer that up to Panopto automatically, maintaining all of the metadata to make sure that all of those assets get properly cataloged inside of your Panopto CMS. We also support live streaming, so it can be either a recorded event or a live stream through Panopto, and we support either scheduled events or non-scheduled events or ad hoc events. For an ad hoc event, you can use the touchscreen directly on Pearl to start the event, create some small amount of metadata here right on the screen, and transfer that asset automatically up into your folder in Panopto for you to access later. We also have Crestron has a control module that you can use to control Panopto as well. So when you've got your Pearls connected as remote recorders to Panopto, you could either do everything on the touchscreen, or you could use a Crestron panel, just log in through Crestron and control all of that Panopto operation, whether that is live events, broadcasting, or scheduled events can all be controlled directly from the Crestron module as well. So you've got a range of ways to control either directly on our touchscreen, through a Crestron panel, through the Panopto instance itself. There's a number of ways you can get access, control these events, and it just gives you a very simple, hardware-based, reliable way of recording all your events integrated directly into your CMS. For more information on this, you can go to epiphan.com and check out how our Pearl 2 line is integrated with Panopto.